Alright, got the camp sort of set up. I'm going to walk back here and see how close I am to the lake and if it's possible to get a boat up the bank. Huh, I was wondering about motors. I guess we can use them. Ooh, that's a big boat. I think there's a boat ramp over there.
Hey, Grandpa. What? You want to catch some dinner? What? Catch some dinner.
Dinner? You making dinner?
Fish. Wait, what is for dinner? What? What's for dinner?
That loose end, hang on to it. I'll take the other end. Just keep working it down so it goes down.
I'll stick it with that.
If you're going down there, you gotta put your life vest on.
What do we do with this? Put it in the fire.
Okay, that's your towel. Now on. For the rest of the week. Don't hook the trees yet. I'm giving you a long distance away from me. Look at those orange flowers. Wow. Those are pretty. I don't know what those are. We know nothing about this lake. It might only be a foot deep for all I know. I did motor across it. There's a boat ramp on the other side. So what I did, I went over there and threw my boat in, left my truck, motored over here, parked my boat on this dock, and then rode my bike over there, picked it up, threw my bike in the back of the truck and came back. So now we're gonna go try it later. Go ahead, get in. You got to be careful. You have to step in the middle. All right, now get in the boat. Turn around. Sit on the pad in the middle. There he is, folks. He's putting him taking me right to the shore. Look at that. He's ready for an Oreo cookie. That's his prize of the day. He never fell in once. He got me pretty wet, but he never fell in. Proud of him. Good job, Maynard. Watch your pike come up and bite my foot. What are you making? Sandcastle?
I just need water.
Those kids. You don't know? Dylan's resorted to using a net. He can't catch one on a hook.
I can. I almost caught a turtle.
Turtle?
Yeah.
You almost caught a fish and you almost caught a turtle. Took him all day, but he got one. I almost caught a 4-pound pike.
And it's a baby.
Oh well, but you caught him on a plastic bait. Okay, I'll unhook him for you. Okay, can you go that way? Go that way. No, go that way. Yeah, so you gotta push it the opposite way. Okay, now go around in a circle. You wouldn't want to do that real sharp when you're going fast, because the motor's powerful, and if you turn it too much, it'll actually push the boat upside down. You don't want to do that. I don't want you to do that. Okay, now give it a little bit more, get it straight. Now give it a little bit more gas. See? No, don't do that when you're going fast. Go easy. Turn it real slow. It's like driving a boat. You're driving a boat without a steering wheel. You remember when I told you driving a boat, you got to do it real gentle? Okay, now give it a little more gas. Okay, now take me down to the ramp. See if you can steer down to the ramp. Isn't that easier than paddling? Yeah, a lot easier. How old are you?
10. It's illegal.
Are you supposed to be doing this?
No.
I'm not real sure, but I don't think you're supposed to. But you used to be able to. The kids in Michigan could drive motors that were less than a certain horsepower. Okay, let's go wide open. Give it some more gas. He's aimed for that ramp. That's his car, probably. Okay, we'll just go around out in here. Go out that way they can't see how little you are. Okay, we won't go to the ramp. We'll go over by the weeds. As soon as you see any weeds at all, turn and go away from them. We don't want that to go through the weeds if we can help it. The weeds get in there and plug it all up. Okay, a little more gas, please. How old do you think that motor is?
Probably like
It's 60 years old. that you showed me there was a truck. It might be their truck, but it might not be. The other way. Easy. Don't freak out, just easy. No quick movements. Just like in a boat, no quick movements. I think that's them. They already know we're breaking the law. Okay, see that stick or something? What is that? Stick. Let's go wide open. Give it as much throttle as it has. Hang on to it. All the way, all the way, all the way. Keep going. Cool. You sure you don't want to go wide open? Okay. Now when you start getting close to the bank, you want to start slowing that down. Down now, you don't have brakes. Slow it down. Okay, put it back in where you started it. Right there. That's where you started it. Leave it right there. Okay, now stop. Just don't stop. Just stop messing around. Okay, now we're gonna do something that's kind of spooky. Turn it down a little bit more, a little bit slower. Okay, right there. Now what I want you to do, I want you to turn the whole motor around.
But we have to turn.
I want you to turn the whole motor around. I want to run it backwards. So I want that handle to be pushing out the back. So just turn it around. Grab the other end. Grab that other handle. See that other handle? Pull it around. Now we're doing what you call back trolling. The reason it goes so much slower is because the back end of the boat is square. This is the way I drove around all morning. That's kind of like your brake.
Fisherman.
Really?
Yes. Seriously.
Where? Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, he's on a bike. He's a... No. Oh, you already did it? Okay. Okay, take me back to the dock. Or whenever you get tired of going back and forth. Give it some more gas. Whenever you turn it around, it kind of hesitates because the motor, I don't know why, but it does. It always has. Okay. Tell me when you're tired of it. I like watching the bubbles come up. There you go. There you go.